my name is Rafael Gilbert. I am from Group E and I would like to explain to you guys about Odoo. So, from my group study case, we are trying to solve regarding how local business struggles to find a way to advertise their company in order for them to become larger and wider. So, in order to solve the case, we are using Odoo, an application that helps us create a website without having to code them manually. So it takes no programming skills at all. Odoo provides a drag and drop website builder, allowing business to create professionals' website quickly and efficiently. This is the result from what we have done, and I'm gonna explain to you guys how we made them. First, we go to odoo.com, where then we can start a trial and then pick out our modules with the category from website. For example, I'm going to choose a website, and then I'm going to take CRM as the data, as well as I'm going to add accounting so I can see the number of margin, and then I'll add some inventory and purchase. So here you can see that I have selected 5 apps or modules that I can just press next, and then I'll give my ownership name Rafael as my name. The company name can be anything, but in this case I'm going to try for Odoo trial just to tell you guys how it progresses, and then the number of my telephone. Oops, sorry. Okay, after done customizing my number and country as well as the language, I'm going to choose 1 to 5 employees because I have a 5 friend group in my project, and we can just start. And then we wait for it to load. It's building the website now, and I'll just pause until it is done. After done building the website, it should look like this, and then we can just press let's do it. And we are, in this case, I'm gonna make an e-commerce with the food as specialty because we are selling frozen foods, and I would like to have the main objective to help local business gain more attraction. I'm gonna sell more, and then you choose any colors. And in this page and features, it is about how we want to create our slides of websites. So I'm going to choose services, about us, news, and it should be, we are supposed to have an e-commerce shop, but because in this case we need to have a trial of premium plan, I need to pay, so I won't be paying it for now. Click my website, and then we can just choose a theme, and then it's gonna be done. So after done doing all that, my group has this as a result, which you can see. We have the title, the buttons, you can also press the buttons, and then full website. And in this website, it's so easy to just customize it because we need to just press edit. I'll show you again. See, there's a button on the edge, edit, and done. We can just press any columns, we can choose anything that we want to add to the website, and we can also edit out each of these. For example, I want to change the image. We can also change the style. For example, in here I would like to change the shape. You can just choose any shape, and then just press it, and it's done. Also, we can change anything we want. For example, the title. Even we can change my name here. Here we can change my name. to anything we want, but I won't be changing that because it's already changed to my name. We can also have a view of the website through a phone, as we can see here. It's not very perfect, but it's something worth. And I'm also gonna be answering the most common question: why does business needs a website model? Because business needs a website as it provides us an online platform to promote products, attract customers, generate leads, support sale activities, and as well as online grocery shopping. And in Odoo, we can just do this instantly quick with an efficient amount of time and low effort. Also, to connect this with the Loudon's theory, in the book of MIS theory, the author Loudon stated that according to Loudon, information system helps organizations improve operational efficiency and customer intimacy. The website module supports customer intimacy by providing customers with easy access to company information and products through an online platform. From this, in conclusion, this website helps us in designing and also promoting the product. Next is going to be explained by my friend. Thank you.
Hello everyone, so today I'll be demonstrating about the CRM method or CRM module, but before we start, I'll be explaining about the function of CRM. So after a customer submits the contact us form on the website, the information can be transferred into the CRM module as the lead or opportunity. CRM helps Dapur Saji Nusantara or any company manage customer inquiries and monitor potential sales opportunities through different stages, from new qualified proposition until one. According to Kenneth Loudon, CRM supports customer intimacy and operational excellence by helping business understand customer needs and manage customers' data more efficiently. Therefore, CRM enables Dapur Saji Nusantara or any other companies to improve customer relationships and ensure that no sales opportunity is missed. Okay, so after explaining the function of CRM, I'll be demonstrating about how to use the CRM. So you went to the site and then CRM pages and then click the contact us. So this is an example. I use the name of Rafael, it's my friend's name, and then you can type here subject, message, is there any sales, for example. Okay, before we send, I want to let you know that in the editing section, I already edited, so the message is directed to my friend's email. Here, the recipient email. I'm using my friend's. Okay, so this is the recipient email. So if I so we click the discard changes. So I have, sorry. Is there any sales available? Okay, so send message. The message that I clicked will be directed to my friend's email. Okay, wait. Here. We want to check the last message. As you can see, this is the message that previously I typed using the website, and it will be directed to the recipient's email. So that's all from me. Bye-bye.
Hello, my name is Kikan Rahmat, and I'm going to make the inventory for our group project for information system. And our case of the company is about the F&B. And let's get started for the Odoo tutorial. At first, I would like to click the inventory, and then for the overview, operations, products. Okay. I'll make a new product, and I would like to choose the Singapore fish cake. And for invoicing policy, order quantities, and for the quantity on hand, about I choose 4500, and the sale price is 30,000. Okay, and for the taxes, I choose 12%, and for the cost, it's about 21,000. For the purchase tax, I would like to choose 12% also, and category is goods, reference CK SG. Okay, and then I'll put the photo of delivery, and input the photo pictures, and for the sales information, and for the product, and it's already there. For the Singapore fish egg. And that's all about for the inventory section of our module in group A.
Hi everyone, my name is Gita Febiola. For PT Dapur Saji Marketing Strategy, we will use the survey module to collect customer feedback on our frozen food product. Okay, let's start. First of all, let's open the survey module and click New to create a form. We will title this PT Dapur Saji Frozen Food Customer Certification Survey. Now, under the question tab, let's click Add Question. For our first question, we type how would you rate the taste and quality of our frozen food product? We set the type to multiple choice, only one answer, and add the choice excellent, good, average, and poor. Next, we add our second question to check our packaging standard. We type, is our vacuum packaging tightly sealed and safe upon delivery? And provide two simple options. Yes, perfectly sealed, or no, it was damaged or leaking. After completing the question, we head over the Option tab. We change the tab access mode to anyone with the link so our client can access this form effortlessly without needing an Odoo account. Once saved, our survey goes live on the dashboard. We ran a quick task submission earlier using our live link, which successfully shows one complete response right here. The system is working perfectly, and that concludes my presentation for the marketing module. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Desyana putri Nurafifah, and I think presentation I will demonstrate how to add the accounting and financial module in Odoo. First, we open Odoo and select the approach menu. Next, I identify the company profile by filling in the requested company information. We can also upload a logo or profile image to represent the company in the GT. After that, we are returned to the menu and select the accounting module. Once we enter the dashboard, we can perform the initial configurations according to our needs and the field and the necessary databases on the company requirement. Next, we will review the request information and the process to create a customer invoice. Product tests have been comprehensive to ensure that the billing information and the character. After the information has been covered, we save and informs and confirms the payment so that the transaction will be processed. Then we enter the process bank information and click create payment to specific the request account. After the payment progress in the completed, we are written in the dashboard. Here we can customer the report like all the complete and company information. That has not yet been configured. We can also close the design that will be accessed for printing and the outer purpose. In the indication, we can see set invoice to customer via email, and the customer can according to as need the preface by checking set and the print. The conclusions by demonstrations of the accounting and financials.